What is similarity search? Similarity search is a technique used to find information that is most similar in meaning to a user's query. In a RAG application, documents are first converted into embeddings and stored as vectors in a vector database. When a user asks a question, the query is also converted into a vector using the same embedding model. The vector database then compares the query vector with all the stored vectors using similarity metrics, such as cosine similarity. Instead of looking for exact word matches, it finds the vectors that are closest in meaning and returns the most relevant documents. For example, if a user searches "I forgot my login credentials," Similarity Search can retrieve a document that says "reset your password," even though the words are different. In simple terms, Similarity Search helps RAG systems find information based on meaning rather than exact keywords. How does Similarity Search work? Similarity Search works by comparing the meaning of a user's query with the meaning of stored documents. First, all the documents are converted into embeddings using an embedding model. These embeddings are numerical vectors and are stored in a vector database. When a user asks a question, the same embedding model converts the query into a vector. The vector database then compares the query vector with all the stored vectors using a similarity metric, such as cosine similarity. It ranks the vectors based on how similar they are and returns the top K most relevant results. These retrieved documents are then sent to the large language model as context to generate the final answer. In simple terms, Similarity Search converts the query into a vector, compares it with stored vectors, finds the closest matches, and returns the most relevant information based on meaning rather than exact words.